We all enter aviation because of a fascination with flying. Some of us become pilots, others become engineers, maintainers, or aviation professionals working behind the scenes. Aviation is made of complex processes, and the deeper you dig into them, the more the connections become clear, and the more the disconnections become evident. Aviation is more than aircraft and procedures. It is a system of connections between operations, maintenance, and airworthiness, between aircraft owners, managers, regulators, and passengers. Introduction to Aircraft Management was written to help aviation professionals reconnect the dots. This practitioner-written guide brings together real-world workflows, integrating airworthiness, maintenance, and operational processes into a practical framework. Drawing on decades of industry experience and regulatory insight, it offers a structured approach to managing aircraft across jurisdictions. The audiobook is now available. Introduction to Aircraft Management, a blueprint for safety, compliance, and operational excellence.